Hey my beauties, so it is amino acid time. Little known fact, no matter what your background is or what your ethnicity is or what your curl pattern is or lack thereof, everyone has the same 222 amino acid arrangement links in their hair strand. So if you are suffering from any type of breakage or dryness or any kind of damage of any kind, the amino acid treatment will help to repair any of that. So the amino acid treatment stops breakage, it reduces swelling from humidity, it controls tangles, and it leaves the hair smooth, more silky and shiny, and it also tightens up the cuticles. So you'll see that really, really nice, healthy look to the hair. So that was just me applying it to her hair, and this is her after it's all on and it just sits on for 15 minutes. And so once I'm done shampooing and doing the conditioning that follows, you just go ahead and blow dry through. Make sure you blow dry completely, making sure that you keep that tension to make sure that you are keeping the hair nice and smooth. And also in terms of like with the amino acid, it really does help with detangling. So if you are a person that suffers from a lot of unknown tangles for no reason at all, an amino acid treatment will help because again, it helps to seal those cuticles. Do not make fun of my my 10X Bioionic flat iron. I've had it forever and a day, so it had seen some better days. So this is just me going through the flat iron, and that's just to seal in and solidify everything that needs to be done with finishing up her amino acid treatment. And you want to keep the temperature, if you are performing this service, you want to keep the temperature between 430 to 450 degrees. And that just depends on the density, the texture, and you as a stylist will have to make that determination. Of course, the more damaged the hair, the lesser of the heat that you want to use. Once you are done flat ironing, you don't have to wear it straight. She just prefers her hair straight. And I did go through and blow dry and blow dry. I meant trimmed her hair before we finished everything up and just gave her a nice little bump. And that's pretty much all that she likes. She's pretty simple. She doesn't like to cause too much of a fuss. And so this is just me finishing up her amino acid treatment, and that is the end product with her hair nice and shiny. We do have to touch up her color and retone her, but she'll come back in for that. So enjoy.